Shalom, y'all. I'm Rabbi David Sirull of Augusta, Georgia. Our city is known all over the world for some really good reasons. This is where the Masters Golf Tournament takes place every year. This is where James Brown, the godfather of soul music, was born. This is the home of the Fort Gordon Army Post, which makes us one of the leading cybersecurity centers in the United States. But soon, we'll add another historic landmark to the Garden City. Do you know where I'm standing right now? This building was constructed in 1869 to serve as a house of worship for the Jewish community of Augusta. That makes it one of the top 10 oldest synagogues in North America. Over the last several years, we have completely renovated the adjoining building, which includes offices, classrooms, and various exhibits about the history of the Jewish people, especially those who impacted this particular region. There'll also be Holocaust education here and learning about the Holy Land, how important our relationship with Israel really is, and the contributions that it makes to society. There's only one catch to completing this dream. You guessed it, it's going to require some additional support. So please, consider contacting us or visiting our website to find out more about this. And I would love to give you a personal tour of the whole facility. Really, I live and work just a few minutes from the museum. Jack Weinstein, the president of the museum, also lives and works just a few minutes from here. The most exciting thing about this place is sharing it with you. So please, think about it. Call us or email us. We'd love to show you what we're doing. And thanks so much for your time and interest in our cause. Shalom.